guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be preparing curry fish. We're going to jump right into it as usual, but first I'm going to show you all the ingredients that you're going to need to prepare this curry fish, which we're going to also add some Brussels sprouts and carrots in. So here we go. So we're going to need this right here is some bullions. Maggi is my favorite, so that's the one that I'll be using. Onions, garlic, Brussels sprouts, cornstarch, sweet peppers, hot pepper, curry, the fish, some water, and some carrots. I already have a pot that is boiling with some hot water that I'm going to go ahead real quick and throw all my carrots and my Brussels sprouts in just to let them steam. So in my pot that is already preheated over here with some oil, I'm going to go ahead and add my onions, my garlic, my hot pepper, my sweet pepper, and my curry. So what I'm basically doing here, I'm making the sauce which the fish is going to go in after the sauce is basically prepared. But I want to make sure that my curry is cooked properly, so that's my reason for adding the curry and all the seasoning in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my bouillons. I'm just going to use half of this bouillon. You can use any bouillon that you wish, but this one is a vegetable bouillon, but the flavor is really good, so that's the one I'm going to go ahead and use. I'm going to now go ahead and add some water to this and make sure that our curry cooks really good. Just let your curry cook for a few minutes because you don't want to be eating raw curry, which will make you sick in no time. So you really have to make sure that your curry cooks properly. So this is what the fish is going to go in after the curry cooks, while our Brussels sprouts and carrot is cooking over here. So now what I'm going to do is add my fish to this sauce. I'm just going to place my fish in here. You have to be very gentle because you don't want your fish to break. And I would also advise that you let this cook on medium heat, not high heat, because you don't want your fish to burn and you want to make sure that everything cooks properly. Okay, you guys, our Brussels sprouts and carrots finished steaming, so we're just gonna throw this off to drain. Okay, you guys, so our fish is just about ready. So what I'm going to do is mix some cornstarch to thicken our sauce. And we're gonna slowly add this into our sauce just to make it thick. You don't really want to touch the fish, you just need the cornstarch to go in the sauce to make it thick, to the consistency that you really need it, to the thickness that you need. And you just let your cornstarch cook for a few minutes. Okay, you guys, our fish is finished cooking and ready to serve. So there you have it, guys, a quick and easy fish meal, a quick and easy meal for you to enjoy, for your family to enjoy, for you to prepare for your husband, for your friends, for your guests. It takes no time to prepare. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, share if you did, comment down below, because you know I enjoy chatting up with you guys. And all this aroma, it smells so good. If you guys ever happen to try any of my recipes, don't be afraid to add what you want to it. Make it your own. Feel free to share your outcome with me on Instagram or even here on YouTube. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if it's your first time watching. Join the family and become a part of us. Catch up and keep up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.